Look at this shit. Damn.
Scene 98.
You my hero.
C'est le son du jeune.
Walmart still closed, y'all. Most of the stores out here are still closed. Damn, gas station still closed. And so is Sam's.
You my hero.
They got the 7-Eleven open. Gas station right there still closed. Got a tree that broke over there, a couple trees that broke over there. It's not too bad over here at all, man. We're blessed. Thank God. What the fuck I just hit? Still got a couple gas stations closed though. They probably open up later on today. They boarded that whole gas station up. A lot of businesses are still closed. Finna take it back to the house, y'all. Y'all be safe out here. Gone.